If you want to share screen of your Motorola Edge 60 Fusion on a TV, if you want to connect your phone to a TV, you can do this by going to Settings, then choose Connected Devices, Connection Preferences, and then over here we can select Cast. And over here you might be able to immediately find your TV, especially if it specifically supports Motorola smartphones. But in some cases you might actually need to use the Smart Connect option. In that case, if you go to the Smart Connect, if you go through the permissions, etc., you should be able to finally press this button to add a device. And then you should be able to select Display for smart TVs, and over here you should be able to detect your nearby displays. Now the phone tries to connect with smart TVs that support Miracast or Chromecast, I believe. So besides that, it is also recommended to use the same Wi-Fi network. And in case you need to scan again, just press scan for displays again in the bottom right corner. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!